Good. What if he goes at this for an hour?
It's okay. He's done it more than an hour before.
That's the spot where he can't jump
He'd
in.
be famous if somebody else watches for an hour, they must be rude. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Shit, they're gonna hear me on.
So I can block out the noise.
No, fuck it. Hi, Tux. The song? No. Fuck.
Just push him right there.
So, should we put this there?
Because I pushed him right there. And then now he starts jumping from there.
No, he's been jumping from there. He just never jumps that far. Get off my leg, you little shit. Well, actually, no, you're one. There. Oh my god, stop
Oh
it.
shit, is that a bee? Oh,
No, that's your dog wetting. So far, he's been doing this for 84 seconds.
Jump, jump,
Jump, jump, jump, jump.
Pussy.
You know the video of you messing with his titties? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's on YouTube.
Do we have a laser? No. Dad? Laser?
Still recording. Oh shit.
Dang, Ghost, you've been going on for 136 seconds already. That's more than 2 minutes. Keep going, Ghost. Keep going. Swim. Swim,
Just
swim,
push him
swim.
right here. Right here, I'm gonna push him. He has this big smile on his face.
I need a laser.
Do you think Tux can swim?
Mm-mm. You hate swimming.
Huh?
Ghost is the only one that loves swimming. Yeah.
You guys tried it? I'm gonna push this right. He's bleeding from his penis. The dog. He has a cut right here.
Here.
You're gonna record him too?
No.
Push him when he gets right here. You're gonna go in.
Who?
You.
No, I'm not going to swim.
Just taking off my socks. My feet are fucking white, that's why.
He's done? Ghost, you're done? Oh. He's been at it for 2 minutes. I mean 230 seconds. Jump, 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 jump.
Do you know Marissa? No.
Why?
Because someone texted me saying, "Hi, cousin. It's Marissa. I want to give me your address. I want to send you mail for Evelyn's party." Sounds familiar though.
Be like, who are you trying?
This is Brian, so you know.
Be like, are you trying to refer to a Brian?
This is my cousin.
No, just say this is Brian, so you know. That's all you gotta say.
Is Marissa, our cousin, the one who got pregnant when she was 18?
No, that's
Jacqueline.
You guys know that that this is going on YouTube.
I don't care.
Push him right here.
What's wrong with your ears?
Push him right here. Push him right here, Brandon. Brandon.
Dude, I'm like right next to you.
Too
You
late.
do it.
I'm radio recording. If only I had the life-proof case, I would have threw my
Next time,
phone.
so fucking going, you fucking faggot.
Do you think?
I'm watching the kids shower right now.
Oh, I seen that one.
He keeps putting soap on him.
I know. You think 410 seconds is good enough? He's been going at it for 500 seconds.
It's going on YouTube.
This kid's stupid. I swear. It doesn't want to come off because he keeps putting soap on his head and he's thinking it'll never come off.
Stop fucking recording me.
He's he's like. I think I have that soap, that kind of shampoo.
Already 700 seconds later.